I love making a difference through education. Hi, I'm Jennifer Fisher, and I'm the Assistant Director of Food Industry Programs with Marshall School of Business at the University of Southern California. My roots in the food industry run deep. Growing up in Southern California, my mom worked for a food distribution company right outside of downtown Los Angeles. I followed the same path and worked in many different areas, including food distribution, consumer packaged goods, and food brokerage. With decades of experience in the food industry, I joined the USC Executive Education team in 2008. I touch on every aspect of recruiting, communications, event planning, and alumni relations for our USC Marshall food industry programs. It's truly an honor to work with high-potential business professionals from an array of global food industry retailing, wholesaling, manufacturing, and supplier companies.